Welcome to Hic sunt draconis. Here be dragons. So we often hear the concept about being the last two members of a species, such as a natural disaster that leaves you and one of the hottest humans of the opposite sex as the last two humans alive to repopulate the world. Or in terms of religion, we all came from the first two humans, such as Adam and Eve. Many people also have this view that if you at least have a breeding pair of animals that are on the brink of extinction, there is hope and they can repopulate. So when we hear that a species number is down to 1,000 or even 500, it doesn't seem like a big deal. But is any of this correct? Well, no, not by a long shot. So welcome to the 5,500 rule. A long-standing idea in species restoration programs is the 5,500 rule. This states that at least 50 adults are required in the short term to avoid the damaging effects of inbreeding, and a minimum of 500 breeding individuals to avoid extinction due to the inability to evolve to cope with environmental change. This means that depending on how many members of a species are successful at breeding and how often they do breed over a generation, some animals have minimal population numbers that are as high as 5,000 or more. And so far, all the data we have completely supports the 5,500 rule. Now, while this is a great bit of science to help debunk rumors of Bigfoot, Nessie, and other extinct animals that people claim are running around, like the Tasmanian tiger and the dodo, the real use of this rule is in dealing with extinction prevention, because what this means is that you don't need to kill off all the members of a species to send it extinct. You just need to reduce the population to a low enough number, which can be anywhere from 50 to 5,000 members of a species, depending on breeding rates. But 50 is the absolute guaranteed extinction number. This is how huge populations, such as the dodo and the passenger pigeon, went extinct, along with many other species that we sort of helped along in the process. Understanding the 5,500 rule really changes how we react to hearing things such as less than 50 Asian cheetahs exist. Prior to understanding this, one could easily shrug. 50 is a lot of big cats, when in reality, 50 means they are already extinct. They just don't know it yet. Hopefully, this little nugget of information will help you understand the world a little bit more. Anyways, have a good day.